as Hampi Art Labs celebrates its first anniversary, I am filled with immense gratitude and a sense of optimism, reflecting on the potential it holds and the impact it continues to foster. The year 2024 has been a learning curve for Hampi Art Labs, defined by exceptional work created by our residency artists, who sought inspiration from the tranquility of the space and its surrounding landscape.
We've always believed in the power of collaboration, and it's been amazing to see Hampi Art Labs becoming a true hub for interdisciplinary exploration. With each new partnership, whether local or international, we're empowering artists to create groundbreaking work and helping them reach new heights in their careers.
One such project we had the opportunity to engage with was the Red Dress Project, initiated by artist Kirsty McLeod. Over the past 14 years, Kirsty has collaborated with vulnerable women worldwide, inviting them to share their stories through the intricate embroidery of a beautifully crafted dress. It is this kind of engagement that makes our work at Hampi Art Labs so meaningful and fulfilling.
Before Hampi Art Labs, my practice was primarily painting and drawing. But at Hampi, I started making objects and sculptures. And right after Hampi, I had my solo exhibition, which was filled with sculptures. So it was like everybody had a surprise because they thought I'll be making paintings. But suddenly I came up with a whole series of sculptures and objects.
What was very important for me was that I was looking at geology, I was looking at culture, and I was looking at ecology, and it was all kind of strung together for me through my viewpoint.
For me, as a mentor, it's very important that I create a safe place where artists are not hesitant to explore and they are feeling confident enough to move out of comfort zone and experiment with new techniques, new medium and new materials. For me, it's important I create a multidisciplinary residency. I'm interested to bring more meaningful collaboration between craft communities and artistic practice in and around North Karnataka and Vijayanagara.
And let's not forget about the architecture, because the space itself is as much a part of this journey as the people. Hampi Art Labs has quickly earned iconic status, becoming an award-winning part of the landscape. It's a true reflection of the creative energy that flows through this place.
In Hampi Art Labs, all the artists live in the same space. And you get separate rooms, but we all live in the shared space. I would say the conversations during our meals, those were one of the best memories, and also the group trips.
So I think for me as a person and as an artist, I hold very dear the people's interaction. And I think what I will really cherish is the kind of people that I met through my stay. Of course, the artists and, especially the visitors who came for the open studio. We had a viewership of children, students, practitioners, artists, the craftspeople that we worked with. So, I think for me that was a highlight because you, of course, create and you make in isolation, but then eventually you share and you kind of also see the reaction and you interact.
Creating a residency space in Vijayanagar, a World Heritage Site that offers world-class facilities for our artists, both from India and abroad, has been a long-standing dream for the JSW Group and for the JSW Foundation. I would also like to thank our advisory board members, Aaron Cesar, Jitish Kalat, Madhvi Subramaniam, and Ratan Singh Johal for being with us for this wonderful journey.
We're just getting started, and I couldn't be more excited for the future. Here's to another year of innovation, exploration, and limitless creativity.